met you coming up here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to be all right.
Couple days. I don't know if you'll be able to cross this tomorrow. What do you think? They'll have to come in here and
They'll have
check
to come in and
inspect it before you drive
Before
on
you
it.
start putting tractor trailer trucks on this thing, they'll have to inspect it. Like I said, this is the third time
Is it?
I've seen it.
I ain't never seen it
Well,
like
I've
it
never
was.
seen it like this.
Yeah.
This is the highest I've ever seen.
Man, Roger, we need a short song, man.
I hear that. I don't.
Y'all do one for copperheads and stuff laying around back there.
We had a privacy fence up there. That's what's left of the backside of it. My neighbor down here got hit hard too. He's like us, he lost everything.
Federal help here. Trying to get some federal help to get us to vouchers for some hotel rooms or something, you know, because we can't sleep in our cars for a month, you know, so we're trying to do anything we can. We've got a hold agency that said they put us on a list, but it's more or less a runaround. So we're trying to do our best. But, you know, we've been trying to call. We're going to try to contact them again today to see if we can't get some help, try to get some help down here. It's like they went down through here and shined a spotlight, cops did, about 11 o'clock last night, and that was it. That's all we've seen.